Is your storage running out or your files taking forever to send? In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step on how to compress files without installing any programs. Let's do an example. We have 3 files here, 2 images and 1 TXT file. Let's see. Okay. And let's learn the size of files. It's 393 kilobytes in total. Okay, I select all files and right-click on mouse. Compress zip file and click enter. Okay, as you see, we have a zip file. This is the compressed version of these 3 files. Okay, let's see the size of our zip file. It says 227 kilobytes. As you see, we reduce the size. And how to extract the files? Right-click, extract all, and say extract. And we have a new folder. Click on it. As you see, we have all our files here again. That's all for now. Subscribe my channel for more tips. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments below. See you in the next video.